Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Apple Watch with Android phone guide step by step clearly. To use your Apple Watch with an Android phone, first ensure that your Apple Watch is charged and ready to go. Begin by resetting your Apple Watch to factory settings. To do this, open the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Navigate to General, then scroll down to Reset. Tap on Erase all content and settings. This will remove any existing pairing with an iPhone. Once your watch reboots, you will see the initial setup screen. On your Android phone, download the Wear OS app from the Google Play Store. Open the Wear OS app and select the option to pair a new watch. When prompted, select both the Apple Watch and your Android device from the list. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing process. Next, set up your Apple Watch preferences on the Wear OS app. You can customize notifications, watch faces, and apps as needed. Keep in mind that some features may not be available when using an Apple Watch with Android. For example, health tracking and messaging functionalities may be limited. Lastly, explore third-party apps that may enhance compatibility. By following these steps, you can successfully use your Apple Watch with an Android phone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.